Was helping a friend out who is producing a documentary film. So he gave me the trailer, and he needed help with the graphics. So I was using this as a way to show him how he can ideate and build some of this himself so that he can better hand off the tasks, the request to the graphic design artist. So what I did, I just took the whole thing. He gave me the raw text, and you can see it's calling out full screen graphics, different parts of this thing, full screen graphic. You'll probably see full screen graphic. It's in here a few times. So it takes that, and it broke down the different, so everywhere it saw full screen graphic, you see this, homeowners association, and it gives me a suggestion on the background, which is pretty nice, right? So now get down here, and I said, I want you to use that list of images above, right, those 10, and for each one, create a widescreen. And I'm just saying ahead of time, you may have to use multiple actions, and I'll just tell you to continue. And you can see I've called image generator. I started, which is ChatGPT, just but I've called image generator and passed in the whole conversation, including what the previous core GPT mentioned. Here's an image. And this was kind of surprising. It did one, and then immediately started on the next one, immediately started on the next one, immediately started on the next one. So those are the first 4 segments, and I said, yep, move on to the next one. That's pretty cool. And it just did the next ones. So I could say, keep going or give me new options. I'd be able to get that result.